Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious chicken keema masala. Happy Ramzan. So this is a Ramzan special recipe that I am sharing today, and this recipe makes for a delicious chicken keema masala. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, to make the ginger garlic paste, in a blender jar I am taking 1 inch of ginger, 12 to 15 cloves of garlic and 2 green chillies. I am also adding 1 tablespoon of water and then blend it into a paste. Transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. Now in a pan heat 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of sugar and let it caramelize. After that add 2 bay leaves, 5 to 6 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom and 1 inch cinnamon stick. Saute till aromatic. Then add 4 finely chopped onions. Saute the onions till they turn golden brown. Then add the prepared ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilly powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything well. Then add a dash of water and cook the spices for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add puree of 2 tomatoes, mix well and let it boil. After it boils, cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And our spices are well cooked now. Then add 500 grams of minced chicken or chicken keema. Mix well with the spices and cook without covering. You can get chicken keema pieces at a regular chicken shop. Otherwise you can take boneless pieces and then you can blend it in a blender jar, or you can use a food processor for that. Let the chicken release water and let the water evaporate. It takes almost 5 to 7 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoons of whisked curd and 1 glass of water. Give it a mix. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilly powder, 2 tablespoons of Kasoori methi and 2 slit green chillies. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our chicken looks perfectly cooked now, and our gravy is also well cooked. Finally add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala and few chopped coriander leaves. Give it a final mix. And our delicious chicken keema masala is ready now. Serve it hot. I have served it with few boiled eggs. This is a delicious Dhaba style keema masala that you can have with pav or bread or roti. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.